Let's see how to automate Instagram login using DataKund under 5 minutes with no coding required. First we need to have DataKund installed in your Windows. Let's see how to download and install DataKund. Open datakund.com. Now click Downloads and then click Download for Windows. Downloading is finished. Now let's quickly install. DataKund is starting in few seconds. It will open login page. Now log in with Google account to continue. It will open new browser window with DK extension on the top. You will find extension on top right corner under plugin. Click on it and just pin it over. Now let's train the bot to log in Instagram and follow Instagram profile. Click DK extension and type Instagram_auto_follow, then click Create API. Open Instagram login page. Click DK extension. Now click Record to start training the bot. Reload the page to add URL to the event. Type your email address and password and log in Instagram. Click DK extension and add variable by clicking Input button as shown. Now click the plus icon to add the input variable. Click Save and go back to resume training. Click the last event to continue training from there. Right-click anywhere on screen, click DataKund and click More, click Inputs then Variables, then Instagram URL and then click Open Link. Click DK extension and stop the training. Open any Instagram profile to train the bot. Click DK extension to start training the bot. And click the last event. Right-click anywhere on screen, click DataKund and click Wait, then Static, and click 3, for 3 seconds wait time. Now click Follow to save the action to events. Let's run and see it in action. Log out from the Instagram account before running the bot. Click DK extension and click Run. Type in the inputs. Now click Run. Bot will automatically logs in and follows the Instagram profile given in the input. Thank you.